First, do the proper hygiene. Let's do the fatal hold. Support neck, back, head, and bottom of the baby. Neck, back, and bottom of the baby. Lap hold. Set and place the baby on your knee. Their head should be placed on your knee. Keep hold. Wrap your arm around the waist of the baby and baby can look around comfortably. Burping the baby. Shoulder hold. Use the burping cloth or face towel and place it on your shoulder to manage the mess. The baby's chin should be placed on your shoulder and gently tap or rub the back of the baby to help them burp. Face down on your lap. Hold the baby in sitting position on your lap and support the baby's chest and head, and with one hand vibrate the baby's chin in your palm. Gently tap the back or rub to help them back. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby on sitting position. Support the neck and the head and gently tap or rub in the back to help them burp. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.